Yeah, boys, just got my hair cut. Got that nice clean fade. Checking out this Commando. Look what I see. Check this out though. This is a Commando Renegade. Did not know that they made this. Not really sure what year this is, but on the Wrangler they made Commando only in 2013, so I'm not sure what year this could be. Very interesting. Alright, this is the first rain, pretty much with the little temporary repair there, little sealant on the Freedom Top panels. So this is the first rain. It's been kind of storming on and off. It's just lightened up, so now is a good time to pretty much just open the door and kind of see, you know, like without it pouring down rain. So we're going to be able to really check and see if it leaked or not. Before it was leaking in through right up here, and it was kind of dripping down off the roll bar. But let's see. All right, so we don't have any liquid, no water inside of here, which is good. This just came from when I opened the door. This is fresh. So the floor mat's not filled up. There's no water in here collecting. That's awesome. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much held the seal. It's awesome. Oh, I spoke too soon. Look, we got some condensation or some water dripping in right there. Really don't know how that would happen, but I guess it was from the inside of the door seal. The Jeep is kind of sitting like this too. Oh yeah, check that out. We got some over there too as well. That is some pretty common spots though for the JKUs or the JKs with hard tops. Looks like we have a little bit of a drip right here in the back and the rear. Yeah, just a little bit of water right here in the rear. That's pretty much just gonna be from this area right here not being completely sealed. Yeah, that's gonna be from the back of those pieces, so that kind of sucks. I guess I'll just have to keep drawing that out every time it rains hard. Get some gas right now, just gonna get enough to get us there and back and do some riding, all that good stuff. This is an Instagram trip. So basically, we're meeting up with one of our friends on Instagram, Sims JKU. You guys will see his Jeep here in a second. He also is a Commando brother. So, you know, we're going to have the same Commando green paint on the 2013 JKUs. But yeah, it is, it's early in the morning. It's before sunrise. It's 6:39 right now. Got up about 6. And we are all prepared. We got snacks, all that good stuff, water, plenty of water. We're gonna just go out there super early, get it knocked out, come back before lunch. So this is gonna be a Sunday little trip here, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Currently, also, I'm gonna mention to you guys, it's currently freezing. There's some snow flurries coming down here as well, but as you guys can see, 33 degrees. Yeah, that's a little cold here for Alabama. Nothing we can't handle though. Always love getting up early and doing these kind of trips before the sun comes up, especially on cloudy days. Alrighty boys, here is Sims JKU. There he is, for real. He's got the Rubicon though. He on 37s. Hey, Commando meat. can cut it like driver, just a hair, and then just come straight up pretty much. Oh yeah, we tucking a little bit. We are tucking a little bit. That full rear bumper. Yeah. Yeah, use them sliders, boy. Keep going straight, you got it? Yeah, keep going straight, you got it. Alright guys, that is it. Just a quick little Sunday trip. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you again, as always, for watching, taking time out of your day to watch this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And as always, we will see you on the next upload.